Hello guys, and I'm making this video for you guys because we have reached 1,000 subscribers in this July of 2019, and this is not the end, this is just the beginning. We got a long way to go, and the goal is so far away. We're talking years and years and years. But anyways, thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you have any questions, and if you need any repairs, if you need any type of idea, please send me a message, alright? And for those of you that have sent me bad messages, I'm not hating you. And I just want to say thank you for that also. Because if I missed something in the video, you mentioned it, even though you said, hey, I forgot this, I forgot that, I didn't do this, I didn't do it that way. Everyone has their own way of doing everything, right? You may have a way to do it the way you want to do it, but that's the way I was going to do it. Maybe I forgot something, no problem. But we appreciate to my Team Titan, the 1,000 subscriber, that's my Team Titan, and we're going to take this to 100,000 subs. Very soon, about a year, 2 years, even if it takes 10 years, but we're gonna take it to 100,000 and beyond, alright? This is just the beginning, like I said. Anyways, what you see here is the truck that was in my toolbox tour, alright? I've done repairs on this truck. You're gonna find repairs. You're gonna find the videos of these repairs on my other channel. It's called RCUSA 201, and I need you to subscribe to that channel also. It's called RCUSA 201, and you will see a lot of stunts I've done with this truck. This truck, all right, I've done wheelies. This thing lifts up and goes on its own. This thing flies into the air, all right. This is the monster truck. It's called the X-Max, right? Made by Traxxas. Anyways, subscribe to my channel, and we have a lot of videos on that. There's a lot of entertainment on that. I got my drone videos on that, and I've got panorama videos on that. I got sky view, aerial view with the drone. We're gonna do a lot of videos with that. All you need to do is go down into the description of this video, click the link. That's to my other channel called RCUSA 201. But this video is not about trying to take my subscribers to the other channel. It's about me giving you entertainment. You know, a lot of people might not like videos about mechanic. You maybe came across where you liked the video because you had a problem with your car. But anyways, I just want to keep everyone entertained. I'm going to do a lot of videos on that channel. You might like it, you know, stunt videos. You might have a hobby, you know, this is my hobby. I like to play around with RC trucks and the drones, right? And if you like doing RC trucks, cars, and you like, this is your thing, you're at the right place, guys. And it has music added to it off the YouTube library. And it has great videos. You might enjoy it, you might like it. Anyway, you're gonna see a lot of videos from that for it, right? This thing is no joke, right? This thing needs repairs, just like a car, right? It has a differential, it has a motor, it has a battery, it has a controller, it has bearings, it has axle shafts, right? You might learn a thing or two just like these regular cars. This works like electric. Tesla, something similar to it. It has a motor, it has an ESCU, electric control unit, which controls the speed of the motor. Alright, and anyways guys, and I'm gonna let this video end here about me talking, but this video is gonna continue, and we're gonna see a lot of clips of this truck. Alright, and here it goes. I got it on like a training motor or something.
We have a launch.